welcome back to Slice of Heaven Skincare channel. How are you guys doing? Hope we've been doing great. Okay, so quickly in today's video, we're gonna definitely be doing a simple black soap for glowing skin. Guys, this soap is going to give you a next level glow. Yes. So if you're melanin skin, dark skin, this will really glow your skin, like outright glow, blind my enemies kind of glow. And then if you're also fair skin, this will be good for you as a maintainer and soap, and it's also going to glow your skin very well. If you're also someone who has used a lot of harsh lotions and stuff in the past and your skin is really weak, this soap is going to help to firm your skin up, and it's going to help you repair your skin. So you're going to be getting repair from this soap. You're also going to be getting really next level glow. Okay, so we're just going to get right onto it. But first of all, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Please like my videos, please share my videos, invite your friends and family as well to subscribe, to like, to share, and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be prompted every time that I upload a new video. Okay, so we're just gonna get on to the video. Now these are my dry powders, herbal powders that I'm going to be using for this soap. This has 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of moringa powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon peel powder, and 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder. So I'm going to be starting with adding all my dry ingredients. Okay, so yes, for the basis of this soap, I'm using already made black soaps. Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm using their Top Herbal Fresh Alata Samina Pure Herbal Soap. It has shea butter and it says it's a super toner as well. This really takes care of rashes and skin blemishes. It's a herbal soap and it glows the skin beautifully. So I'm using half of this container. It's already in the bowl, and I'm also going to be using the Topcio Alata Samina Herbal Soap with noni extract. This on its own super glows the skin, guys. Super glows the skin. So I'm using half of this as well, which is already in the bowl. So these are my base soaps that I've now added my dry powders to. Okay, so next I'm going to be using my wet ingredients, or should I say liquid ingredients. Okay, so we're gonna be going with our honey. Now y'all know honey is a moisturizing ingredient, so we're talking about 4 tablespoons, and since I'm using a teaspoon, we're gonna be doing 1/8 of this. This will add some moisture and also glow the skin. I love honey in my black soaps. Like, I love honey in my black soaps. I love it. Okay, so next I'm gonna be adding my vegetable glycerine. You know, sometimes black soap can be a bit drying, so I just try to make sure that I have enough moisturizing and conditioning ingredients so that it doesn't dry out the skin too much. Okay, next I'm going to be adding my essential oils. I'm using lemon. Okay, I'm going to be adding half teaspoon of my lemon essential oil. Don't worry, I'm gonna list out all the ingredients in the description box so that you know what to add. I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible. This is also lavender essential oil. So last but not the least, I'm gonna be adding the Glow oil. Okay, no, I actually have one more oil to add. Okay, so I'm going to be using the 7-day serum. This is an amazing serum that glows the skin, moisturizes the skin, and adds luminosity to the skin. Remember, we're making a Glow Herbal soap. So yeah, so I'm going to be adding all of it into our soap. Okay. There. Okay, so next we're going to be adding our carrier oil. I'm using the Apricot Kernel Oil. This is a repair oil. It also really glows the skin. It's really amazing for the skin. So I'm going to be using 4 teaspoons. That's equals to 2 tablespoons. Okay, so and 4. Okay, so normally I would say that you should mix it together and, you know, allow the soap soak or just, you know, stay for at least 24 to 48 hours before you blend and then you use. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna try to mix it together and come back to show you guys how it looks like. Okay, all right, see you in a bit. After blending the soap, I used my hand blender to blend everything together, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm not gonna pack it up today. I'm actually gonna let it sit for a while, and then I'm gonna pack it up tomorrow. Okay, by tomorrow it would have thickened more than this, and it would have changed color as well. It will be definitely darker than the, you know, how light it is right now, and it will be thicker as well. If you don't like this consistency, you can always add more of any of the bases that you're using to your soap to thicken it a bit more. Okay, but because I know this is going to thicken a bit more, I'm not going to add any more base soap. I'm just going to let it sit, you know, so that everything can just incorporate and come together. So I hope you found this video very helpful. So this is our Glow soap, our super glow soap, guys. Super glow soap. Like, it smells heavenly as well. Like, oh my god, it smells really good. So this will repair your skin, and this will polish your skin, and this will super glow your skin. So I hope you guys can try it out and let me know how you liked it. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I'm gonna get back to you on this soap. At the end of the video, I'm gonna of course I would have packed it up, and then you could see how the finished look came through. Okay, all right, so this is it for this video. If you have not subscribed, my darlings, please subscribe. And if you have subscribed to this channel, thank you so much. I love you. I love you. Until my next video, you guys stay safe and God bless you. Bye.